Hello everyone, so I did this set about a week ago and I'm already over it. So what I'm going to first start off by doing is taking an old pair of nippers and just trying to clip away as much as I can with my art. I already got my snake off as you saw. Now I'm going in with the bear, and then I'm also going to try to get my crystals off. So the nippers weren't working for like the crystals, so I did go in with my Mani Pro drill at a high speed with a safety course bit and just went up against those rhinestones just to like lift them up and get them up off of there, because there was no way I was getting them off. And then I'm also taking that on my junk now, because there was no way I was gonna sit here and try to clip all those little crystal thingies off of there. And I'm also using it on this now because of the glue that was in between the bear and the nail was really thick, so this was just the easier route to get it up all faster. And now to really smoothen my nail, I'm taking a fine safety bit and I'm just going to be smoothing out the nail, going from side to side, up and down, just to make sure I get all the polish off of the nail as well. As you see me doing here, again, smoothing out my nail, getting the polish off side to side, up and down. And you kind of want to move fast when you do this part, like you don't want to sit in one spot, because then you're going to create divots in the nail, and you don't want that because that defeats the whole purpose of the bit. And I was also using it to like reshape my nails just a little bit, slim them just a little bit more. But once again, side to side. I was not in the frame for this portion, but I did want to put it in there that I did reshape my nails with a file. And this is what they look like after shaping, and I did buff them off camera as well because they weren't in the frame. And now I'm going to be taking my cuticle oil from Gela. It's just called Nourish by them or whatever. And I'm just going around my cuticles, and after I do that, I am going to go wash and scrub my nails just to make sure I get all the dust from the nails. And after doing that, I am taking a lint-free wipe with some alcohol on it just to get all the oil off. And now I am going in and doing my art. Here is the photo of which this look was inspired. And I'm starting off by doing hearts on my pinky nail. As you saw, I did do 2 dots with my dotting tool. And now I'm just connecting those dots with this little striper brush. It's really easy to do hearts. You literally just do 2 little dots and then connect them at the bottom into a point, and then just fill it in with the polish from the dot. Okay, now for this next part, y'all, I will say I had the best intentions. I swear, I really did. This is most definitely wrong. I am gonna write here, I'm writing lovers, but it's supposed to say losers first and then lovers. Supposed to put the V on top of the S, and I did it wrong, so I call myself a loser in the beginning, but you'll see in the end where like I change it and everything. I was just tired. I'm not gonna lie, I was tired doing this, but I wanted to create some content for y'all. So just don't mind that V right there. Like that V, you don't see it right now because it's supposed to say S, but I am going to fix it like I said. Now we're just going to get right back into the video. So I am writing out the word lovers right now with black, and I kind of use any angle that I can to really like draw letters on my finger. So you see I got my finger that I'm drawing on up like that, and then my pinky is actually like pressed down on my lamp to really give me some more support, if that makes sense. Like, I don't know why, if my pinky's not in the right spot, I'm gonna be shaking and everything. So I got it laying there for a reason. It helps. It's all in the pinky. So next off, I'm gonna be putting this pink stripe down the middle of my nail. As you saw in the picture, there's like this stripe going down the middle of the nail with the smiley face money sign thing. So yeah, it's a little off center, but like I really did not care. It adds a little spice to the look. Once again, I'm gonna be putting the line on my thumb as well, and then after that I'm just gonna flash cure it 15 seconds, and then I'm going back in and putting the little dots on the heart for the eyes, and then I am also going to end up flash curing that as well for 15 seconds. Once again, I just skipped over this part of me drawing the S on there because I said I was fixing it later. It's wrong, don't look at it, it's wrong. So on the nails that we drew the lines on, we're going to do a smiley face at the bottom, and then start creating S's for the money signs. This was a little difficult for me to do. Like, I'm sorry you can't really see so much, but I was trying to get a good angle for me to even draw this on, because like let's not forget, this is on myself. So I'm drawing the S really like light, and then I'm going back over it again and making it darker. And then like afterwards, I'm gonna create those like 2 lines on the S so it looks like a money sign. Like, you see my finger shaking, y'all? Y'all see it shaking? I was really trying to focus, and my nerves was kicking my behind. But once again, I'm drawing that smiley face with the black, going back over it to make it a little thicker. And then again, I'm going to be drawing those S's on the nail to create the $sign. See, that S kind of look like a 5, but like, who's asking? It doesn't really matter. It's just creativity, you know? So once again, creating that S on the nail. And this one's a little different, but it just really, it's cute. It's cute. I really like it. It's cute. You like it. I love it, right? So then again, I'm creating the lines, the 2 lines, and I'm just using the black that's already on the S, if that makes sense. Like, I didn't pick up any more polish. And then I cured it for 15 seconds, and now I'm going in with my dotting tool one more time to create the black part, like the eyes of the heart. And then for here, I didn't have no crystal glue, so I used foundation from Gelish, and it works fine, y'all. I still got my crystals on to this day, so it really worked just as well, because it's actually thick, and I just put the crystals in place. The only thing about this, with using this, it was that my crystals were moving a lot until they were cured, because it's not the same consistency as the glue and stuff. So be mindful of that if you gotta improvise like me. I just could not find it, and I didn't feel like looking. So after that, before I cured it, I polished a clear top coat around the gems and then cured it. And now I'm going in with my top coat, just to, you know, make the look like how it's supposed to look like, you know. It's cute, y'all. It's cute. But like I said, I'm gonna fix that one finger because it's wrong, and I'm gonna keep saying that because I'm just so embarrassed about what I did. Y'all don't understand. My little sister's the one who told me that I did it wrong, and then I looked at the picture and I was like, oh, I did do it wrong. But that's besides the point. Like I said, back into the nails. So once again, I'm drawing or writing the lovers on this other hand. I had already did the hearts off camera again, and now I'm going in and making that pink line down the middle of my nails, or at least trying to put it down the middle, and then putting the eyes on my heart. And look, y'all, you see I gotta hold my whole hand to like make sure it's not shaking. It's a struggle, but I love it. I love the struggle because my nails look so cute afterwards. Like I said, I put the S's down in like a thinner layer and then went back over it thicker. And the part with me fixing my nails is coming up now. Why ain't nobody tell me I wrote this backwards? It's supposed to say loser and then lover, so now I gotta redo it, which ain't no problem. So all I'm doing is taking my file and just kind of going where the letter's supposed to be at. I can't believe I wrote it backwards because I'm not a loser. I just thought that's what it said. See how I was tired. Doing these earlier today. I just gotta figure out how I'm gonna get it off of here. Let me see. Okay, so now I'm going to write it the right way, since I did that. You know, wipe it off with some alcohol and write. Oh my gosh. Okay, so now I'm gonna actually write the S in black. My goofy self. The city is my palace. 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 We won't waste no time. They wanna know about the girl them. About the girl them. About the girl them. But she gon' slide right to my city is my palace. The city is my palace. The city is my palace. We won't waste no time. I want she and she. They love them some me. I can't even speak to all of them, so I call her on the. She gon' pick up on the first ring. We got it right around my damn finger. I will never tell her something. I knew somebody was gonna say something to me like, girl, that is not even what it is.